think it's important to learn coding because then you learn about how to program, and it's easier to use computers. And that's because in school we use computers a lot, and if coding helps you get used to the computer, and that's really helpful. I am currently working on a Scratch program, and what I have so far is it's gonna like move and turn.
Something that helps you talk to computers.
Do you enjoy coding? And why?
Yes, but it's difficult. It's fun though. I'm hoping if I finish all the coding, then I can like make my own games, because I've thought of different games, but I've never been able to create them.
Okay.
I am working on some funny face, and so I have the funny face, and then I have to fill in these two things. So first I have to make the mouth bigger, and now next step to change the height. One of them is a pirate game where you're a pirate. You have to assemble a giant ship with a good chunk of men. You can only start out with like a tiny rowboat and 1 or 2 men. And you have different map missions, and you have to try to pirate other people's bigger, better boats.
What?
Well, maybe say you feel like, well, you know how to write, so you can make fun writing things. But if you want to make a game, you have to go through all of the coding. Plus, I'm pretty sure, well, I know my uncle likes video games, so you should probably, I think it's important just because, say maybe you really like video games, maybe you should try learning to code so you can create one.
Code is some kind of simple programming for computers to let you know what the computer should do, or what the computer should know what you're doing. I enjoy it because it was hard at the moment until I learned that. Until like after practice, I knew what I was doing.
It's the stuff that you use to make a game. Because you gotta do hard, takes up time, and it doesn't create whatever you want. Because sometimes when you code, it can make different stuff, and when you like the creator of like any games like Roblox, there was a creator that used it for coding and made it out of they made it out of just words and stuff. So I'm practicing on how to code. Make a difference to websites, because if you have a website that's not really detailed, it can make a difference if you can add more coding into it. Maybe I might do it for animations, like animating.
Cool.